Terminal 1. Calling at Stepford Airport Central, Airport Terminal 1 and Airport Terminal 2. Due to a short platform, passengers for Airport Terminal 1 should travel in the front 7 coaches. This train is formed of 10 coaches. First class is located at the middle of the train.
Welcome on board this Airlink service to Airport Terminal 2. We will call at Stepford Airport Central, Airport Terminal 1 and Airport Terminal 2.
The train now approaching Platform 1 terminates here. This train is the service from Lynn by the Sea.